Hey, what's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to connect MetaMask wallet to Binance Smart Chain. So before getting started, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first person to get the notification. You need to know some trick that I will show you in this video step by step. So however, for the transferring BNB or transferring coins tokens from the Binance to MetaMask wallet, or if you want transfer BNB from Binance to MetaMask wallet or from MetaMask wallet to Binance, you have to connect the MetaMask wallet to your Binance Smart Chain. However, in this video I will show you that the easiest way how to connect that. For this purpose, I will open my browser. On the search bar I will type connect MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain. Click on that. Here as you can see, academy.binance.com connecting MetaMask to Binance Smart Chain. They have written an article how to connect that easily. So firstly you have to create an account for yourself on the MetaMask. So here is the article, you can check that and read carefully about that. The main thing that we need is here these lines. So I will open the MetaMask wallet. So here I will open my MetaMask wallet, and here you can see Ethereum mainnet. So there is not any connected smart chain, so I will click on this three dot and click on the expand view. Here you can see that it's now expanded, so click on this option and click on custom RPC. So here you can add your custom RPC. So I will copy this name. The network name is Smart Chain, and the new RPC URL is here. I will provide you the link in the below down description. Simply click on the link and start adding the Binance Smart Chain on your MetaMask wallet. Simply copy the symbol and block Explorer URL. Now you can see each and everything that mentioned in this article. So we have copied each of them, and here you can see that save option is now appeared. So click on the save option. Now come back here. You can see that Smart Chain is successfully added here. So you can see that I have available funds 0.054 BNB on my wallet. So guys, this is the way how you can connect your MetaMask wallet to your Binance Smart Chain. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section. Or last, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.